And like always, in this we do the exercise which contains everything. Just use your hand as a symbol. Yes, I do things through my body to perceive yourself. Just look through your hands into the space of your chest, your breath, the space of your heart, and search for its reactions and enjoy the reactions of being perceived. Turn your hands like a bowl and lead this I'm with you, I see you, I feel seen through the body, through the legs, through the feet, into the earth. And just relax your ankles and point with your fingers to the earth to support this streaming down. And notice how in your body countercurrents come into existence which carry the body, make it upright and tall. Let your breath react, relax, make a step forward or backwards. And breathe. And what we practice here is that I do the one, I stream down, and I notice I'm not doing it, the other. And how do I have to notice, to perceive myself, that the uplifting forces even make my heels light? Use your hands. Take time to arrive at yourself. Turn your hands and lead this sensation of arriving through the body, through the legs, into the earth. And now the practicing starts. How do I have to perceive myself? To make things happen, beautiful things happen. Let your breath react, make a step forward or backwards. Enjoy. And take this breath as a thank you of the body and really accept it. And if the body is shy to show it to you, thank you. Welcome the body and help him to unfold and really bring the thank you to you. The theme is the seventh, to be full of richness, being nearly there and striving for fulfillment. We do the major basic movement before, which has the striving. Just recollect how you stood right now and feel your shoulder girdle as if it would be the roof of your house. And then allow yourself this thought as if the roof would carry the house and not the other way around. But how does it feel when the roof carries the house? And then use your left leg, do it with the left leg to make a step forward. And then put the right leg a little bit aside. And feel this joy of moving, stepping forward. And then the joy in the feet, in the hips, in the collarbones. And let the joy from the collarbones flow into the lower arms, that they become wings. And that come back to the upper arms. And they say, we support you. And the lower arms just say, thank you, so nice to fly. The hands, that we can sail, come on with us. The fingers open up, oh, so nice out there. And then the fingertips start. We want to reach there, we can go further, further out, further out. And then, yes, we arrive. There it is. Feel welcome. And let this feeling of being welcome come towards you. Let it stream down. Bring the right leg in while you are doing this. Let go. And feel how you're standing there. Great. It's just flowing through the arms, but not just flowing out, but it's going out, coming back a little bit in order to go fully through the arms. Let's do it one more time. Feel the roof carrying the house. Left leg, right leg. Oh, joy. Hips, collarbones, clavicles. Making the lower arms becoming wings. The upper arms, we help you. The lower arms, thank you, so nice. The hands, we sail. The fingers, so beautiful, spreading the space around us. The fingertips, we can go further, 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 further. There it is. We are welcome. And bring this impression of being welcome with you. In a way, you are in the space you have arrived because it's coming towards you. You don't have to leave your space, it's just there. Great. One last time, just to bring one aspect which is important, because when you go out, you go out, you go out, you can easily lose yourself. But it's so easy that exactly this going out creates roots. The only thing I have to do is to stay with myself, despite of going out. And then the going out will create counter-currents which by themselves bring us into our feet. We don't have to do it. We just notice, oh, we are so nicely in our feet. We try. Last time. The roof carries the house. Left step. Right to the side, a little bit. Join the feet, hips, clavicles. Flowing into the lower arms. Awakening this will to support in the upper arms. The lower arms feel supported. The hands sail. Finger become wide, fingertips. Feel yourself, go out, feel yourself, go out. Arrive. I'm welcome. This is the basic movement gesture of the major way of streaming towards something, the striving, and the seventh plays a great role in it because it's this nearly there. And so easy to get lost, and we found what we can do not to get lost. And now we just do the seventh directly a few times with the arms. And eurythmy always starts in the heart. So begin here, and then the heart goes out, and then you use through your hands and fingers, you want to reach the walls and then return to yourself. And maybe you have noticed when you want to reach plates in a cupboard and you can't get there, you really try. Yeah, you're not just stiff, but you really try. Can I? And they just, you become very alive, the fingertips. And so we are not shaking the hands, but it's the striving which makes them shake. Huh? And so we try it pretty easily. We go from there, we have a stream, we want to reach something, oh yes, can we get there? And we return, And we do it with the other hand. Can we get there? Yeah? So many beautiful directions. And in our heart, so many ideas. We could also do it like this, here. We have some friends. And then we could ask, why do we not do it like this? Yeah? And then return to yourself. And now we remember, I only have to feel myself, my body, a little bit. 20% of my attention is enough. That when I go out and I feel myself, it brings me to my feet. And then I don't have to hold back. So one hand, I feel myself. I'm not getting lost. I'm going out, but I feel myself out, that far out. I feel myself. Great. I bring another direction, going out here, up there. I feel myself. And behind, I feel myself. But I go out. I feel myself. And then just stand and have the feeling of the surroundings you have just created. This richness, as if you would water a meadow somewhere and you feel this watery dust. It's not steam, it's just so fresh around you. Just take a minute to feel it. And feel your feet. And now try to recollect the feeling, how it was to stream through your arms, to create the surrounding. When we now do it with the feet, you start in your heart, you stream down one feet and you let it flow through there. And you sprinkle a little bit there. And you sprinkle a little bit there. And you sprinkle a little bit behind. And you return to yourself. And breathe. We do it once again and you recollect all it needs is I feel myself, that I don't get lost. And then you can just enjoy going out. And going out everywhere, there. And going out and I feel myself. And I go out, I don't keep back at all, but I feel myself. Can you feel it, that it really, it's possible to stay with yourself without any effort. Just feel yourself. And when you manage to do it like this and you are still, the bones do what you want them to do, you can even enhance this movement, but only if you like, otherwise you do it just as we did it now. You can always hold on to something, practicing this. And those who feel like it, they just do like this and there. You do it quickly and you just stay with yourself, but you bring this liveliness everywhere around you. Yes, and there, and there, and there, and there. And not up, always down. You want to reach the meadows down there. And it's not shaking the legs, it's streaming through. Relax and stand. And then quietly sit down and relax. What do these exercises do? What do they bring? Next to that, your breath is pretty activated now, but allow yourself to listen to other levels of excitement too. How do you feel your legs and feet? What's the difference of your impressions of thighs and the feet? How do you perceive the space of your lungs? And you're working so hard, what still do you perceive only exhaustion or also joy? What is the joy telling you? And then just become quiet, and any perception is good and nearly no perception is also good. You just show interest, and your body is so grateful for your interest. We just try if we perceive a little this or a little that. And notice how your perceptions change within 1 or 2 minutes time.